6 money mistakes that could cost you. This is Ash Cash Tash, where we take the complexity out of money matters. We are here to guide you through the ins and outs of wealth management with a smile. In this channel, we believe that navigating the world of finance shouldn't be dry and dull. That's why we bring you a delightful blend of professionalism and comedic relief to keep you engaged while we unravel the mysteries of personal finance. Prepare to embark on a journey of financial enlightenment as we cover topics such as budgeting, investing, and strategic money management. But fear not, we'll infuse each lesson with a pinch of comedy because let's face it, laughter is the best financial medicine. So grab your notepads, power up your calculators, and let's dive into the fascinating world of wealth creation. Together, we'll uncover strategies and insights that will have you confidently navigating the financial landscape. Today, we will bring you into the oh-so-common money traps that many people fall headfirst into. Brace yourselves because these sneaky traps can drain your bank account, stunt your financial progress, and even cause a whole bunch of other pesky problems. But fret not, my friends. We're here to save the day and help you avoid these costly mistakes. So let's jump right in and unveil the 6 money traps that you absolutely need to steer clear of. Trust me, your wallet will thank you for it. The first money problem is different page with their spouse. Hey there, folks. Today, we are diving into a relationship hurdle that can make your wallet weep, being on different financial wavelengths with your partner. Picture this. One of you is hustling, budgeting, and investing like a money-savvy champ, while the other is on a spending spree, treating cash like confetti. Yikes. Let me tell you, that's a recipe for serious financial fireworks. In fact, it's no surprise that money conflicts rank high as one of the list of reasons couples hit the D word. But fear not, lovebirds. We're here to help you avoid this money trap and keep your relationship sailing smoothly. So grab your favorite beverage, water included, and let's get this financial harmony party started. The next big money trap is sales. Alright folks, buckle up for this one because we're about to debunk the biggest trickster in the world of shopping. Sales. Yep, you heard me right. Sales are like those sneaky little devils that make you believe you're saving big bucks when in reality, your wallet is crying tears of regret. It's like a twisted game of math where they say, hey, this thing used to be $100, but now it's only $70 with a 30% discount. What a steal! But hold on a second, my savvy shoppers. Let's break it down. You just spent $70, which means you're $70 poorer than before, even after that oh-so-tempting discount. See the trickery? Sales make you spend more, not less. Now, I won't lie. There are times when sales can be legit. If you were planning on buying something anyway and it happens to be on sale, well, that's a win-win. But be warned, my friends, stores are sneaky creatures that play the sales game like pros. They'll mark up prices, throw in some mind-boggling discounts, shower you with calls cash, and before you know it, you've spent a fortune without even realizing it. So my advice? Don't let those sales and coupons cloud your judgment. Keep your wits about you and don't fall for their tricks. Your wallet will thank you and you'll avoid being caught in the clutches of the sales monster. Stay strong, savvy shoppers. Another serious problem is we don't have any type of automatic savings or investing. Hey there, folks. We've got a little something to discuss that's been giving away many people a run for their money. Literally. It's a problem that's been sneaking up on folks like a mischievous little leprechaun. And what's the culprit, you ask? It's the lack of automatic savings and investing. Now, this isn't just a problem for a select few. Oh no, it's a trap that many of us fall into without even realizing it. Picture this. You work hard, you get paid, and before you know it, poof, your money vanishes into thin air. But fear not, my friends. We've got a simple solution that can make a world of difference. It's time to introduce the magical concept of automatic savings and investing. Just imagine, every time that paycheck lands in your account, a portion of it goes straight into your savings or investment pot. without you even lifting a finger. It's like having your own personal financial wizard by your side, working their magic behind the scenes. Whether it's for that dream vacation, a cozy nest egg, or even a thrilling crypto adventure, automatic savings and investing have got your back. And let me tell you, this isn't just some harebrained idea. It's a tried and true method that can turn your financial fortunes around. So let's break free from the chains of forgetfulness and inconsistency. Say goodbye to those I'll save later moments, and say hello to a future where your money works for you, effortlessly growing while you go about your life. So my friends, it's time to embrace the power of automatic savings and investing. Let's make our financial dreams a reality, one automatic deposit at a time. The next money trap is concept of a sunk cost. Hey there, my fabulous friends. Let's dive into another sneaky money trap that likes to play tricks on our minds. We're talking about the infamous concept known as the sunk cost fallacy. Now, don't let the fancy term scare you away because we're about to unravel this mystery together. Picture this. You're at a carnival and you've already spent a bunch of money on those tempting lottery tickets. But here's the thing, my pals. Just because you've already invested some dough doesn't mean you should keep chasing after those elusive winnings. It's like wearing sunglasses at night. Totally unnecessary. The sunk cost fallacy is all about letting go of the past and focusing on the present and future. Whether it's a failed building project or a stock that took a tumble, we can't change what's already happened. So why let it hold us back? We've got to break free from its clutches and make decisions based on what lies ahead, not on what we've already thrown into the money pit. Imagine it as a fresh start, a clean slate, where the only thing that matters is the road ahead. It's time to ditch the old mindset and embrace a new way of thinking. One that's all about future success, baby. So my lovely audience, remember this. Sunk costs are like yesterday's fashion trends. They might have had their moment, but it's time to move on and rock the latest financial styles. Let's break free from sunk cost fallacy and step into a future filled with smart, forward-thinking decisions. Together, we can conquer this money trap and build a brighter financial tomorrow. Another huge money trap is no money down or little money down plans. Alright folks, let's talk about one of the biggest tricks in the book, the $0 down temptation. You know the drill, you're eyeing that shiny new car and the salesperson says, "Hey, no money up front, pay it off in 6 months." Sounds fishy, doesn't it? Well, my skeptical friends, you're onto something. In almost every case, these deals are designed to make money off of you, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck. They prey on our desires for fancy TVs, cozy sofas, and everything in between. You stroll into a furniture store, hoping to snag a $300 couch. But they hit you with a $4,000 account and say, "No worries, you can pay $0 down for a whole year. Payment starts in 2025. Uh-oh, that's trouble brewing. Trust me, those are the worst plans to fall for. And sadly, so many people get trapped. So here's the golden rule. If you can't afford to buy something outright in cold hard cash right now, it's probably best to wave goodbye for now. Of course, there are expectations for big purchases, like cars or houses. But as a general rule, if you can't flash the cash, it's time to pass. Let's not forget about those tempting financing options either. You know, the ones that promise zero interest and lure you in with affordable monthly payments. But hold up, my friends, that's where they sneakily get you. That mattress they say you can pay off over 6 years at $40 a month may seem enticing, but think about it. 6 years of payments? That adds up to some seriously astronomical amounts. So, take some time to understand interest rates, loans, and those notorious $0 down plans. And here's a friendly reminder. Stay far, far away from payday loans. Seriously, they're like the villains of the financial world, preying on people with tough spots. Personally, I think they should almost be illegal. But that's a debate for another day. Anyway, my lovely audience, arm yourselves with knowledge. Because when you are living paycheck to paycheck or stuck in the lower middle class, these money traps are lurking around every corner. So, educate yourself, be cautious, and together, we'll navigate these treacherous financial waters like champs. And finally, the most important money trap is letting others instill their own limitations onto you. Folks, here's a common trap we all face: letting others limit us. People love projecting their own doubts onto us. But guess what? Life has no limits. You can achieve anything, even if you're not a genius or haven't gone to college. Don't listen to the naysayers who try to hold you back. Some folks might feel uncomfortable when they see you striving for success, but that's their problem, not yours. So, forget about imposter syndrome and low grades. You don't have to be a genius to make it big. There are endless ways to succeed and build wealth without reinventing the wheel. Don't let anyone's limitations define your potential. Trust me, you can surely conquer the world. And that wraps up another informative yet entertaining session with us. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, as you embark on your financial journey, it's important to strike a balance between seriousness and a healthy sense of humor. By staying informed and having a few laughs along the way, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of financial advice. We're committed to providing you with valuable insights that will make your financial journey a more enjoyable one. Connect with us in the comments section below. We love hearing from our dedicated viewers and we'll be there to answer your questions and engage in a little friendly banter. After all, finance doesn't have to be all seriousness. Until our next episode, keep honing your financial skills with a smile, because laughter and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Wishing you all financial success.